Hello kids. Today I bring a topic for you. 2.3 Let's speak. Okay? So what we have to do is we have to see the picture which are giving on page number 20 and we have to talk about them. So let's see who are there. First is doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. And what we have to do, we have to talk about them, where we found them, what work they are doing. Okay, so first we will see who are there. Doctor, then P-O-L-I-C-E, police, W-O-M-A-N, woman, police woman. Can you see here traffic signal? Yes, we will talk about police woman, what she is doing. Okay. Third is C-O-N-D-U-C-T-O-R, conductor. We all know what conductor work is. Okay. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. So important helper, community helper, right? Yes. Then next is S-O-L-T-I-E-R, soldier. And last, C-H-E-F, chef. Now we have to say 2-3 lines about them. So open your workbook. Same topic in your workbook, page number 38. See, let's speak. Look at the picture on textbook page number 20 and say 2-3 lines about them. See, here given a doctor. Doctor works in a hospital or a clinic. People go to a doctor when they are sick, right? When we are not well, we are going to the doctor to take a medicine and he gives them medicine and cures them, right? Next is policewoman. What policewoman work is? Policewoman control the traffic. If anyone breaks the traffic rules, she makes them pay a fine. She also helps people to cross the road. Okay? Next is a conductor. A conductor gives us tickets in a bus. He rings a bell when the bus has to start or stop. He also helps people if they have any luggage with them. Next is a farmer. A farmer works in the field. He grows crops. He plows the fields with the help of bullocks or a tractor. Then next is a soldier. A soldier defends the country during times of war. He also helps people when there are floods or earthquakes. A chef is a person who is in charge of the kitchen in the hotels and restaurants. He cooks various food items. He is always dressed in white and wears a special cap while cooking. So, children, these are our some community helpers. They are helping us. Okay? Now, what you have to do is, see, on the next page, name the following. Here 4 questions are given. And in the box, there's some options are given. You have to select the options and write for the proper question. Okay? So, first question is 5 things you see in the hospital. Everybody knows we are when we are sick, we are going to the hospital, right? And there, what we found? See, like injections, bottles, beds, chair, medicine, like these things we are found in the hospital. So this you should write down here. See, like beds, chairs, medicines, injections, bottles, and dustbin. So these things we have found in the hospital. Now next, 5 things you see in a kitchen. Okay, so now see here, like spoon, cups, plates, bowls, dustbin we found in kitchen. Now we have to write 5 things you see in a park. See here, 5 things you see in a park, like benches, trees, swings, flowers, bushes. Okay, this thing we found in a park. Now 4th question is 5 things you see at a beach. Sometimes Sometimes we visit to the beach, like Murud Beach, Alibag Beach. So what things we found in a beach? So see here, sand, shells, water, boats, trees, and benches, right? And even dustbins also. Because whatever we are eating there on the beach, we should not throw garbage here and there. Okay, so there is a dustbins also. So we have to put all the garbage in the dustbin, and we have to keep our environment clean. Is it? Okay. Now, next question is, work and workers. Match the following. So here the workers' names are given and what work they are doing given here. So like here, see, Gardener, gardener, Painter, painter, Swimmer, swimmer, Actor, actor, Dancer, dancer, Machanic, mechanic, Writer, writer, Creator, creator. Now we have to find which work who is doing. Okay, a person who dances. Who is dances? A dancer. Okay, so we have to match it like this. A person who repairs things. Mechanic. Okay, then a person who writes. Writer. Is it? A person who paints. A person who writes. Writer. A person who paints. Painter. A person who works in a garden. Gardener. A person who creates something. Creator. A person who acts. Actor. A person who swims. Swimmer. Okay, like this way you have to match. And next, last question here, you have to match A group to B group. Okay, and here given picture you have to write full name. Like which picture is this? Ice cream. So ice and cream, you have to match them like this, and then write front of the ice cream spelling of ice cream. ICE, ice, CREAM, cream, ice cream. Okay, the next is foot, ball, right? See, foot and ball. Write down here, FOOT, foot, PALL, ball. Then see here, school timetable, right? So time and table, so match it, timetable, and write down here TIME, time, TABLE, table, timetable. The next is rainbow, right? Rainbow. So rainbow, match here, and write down here RAIN, rain, B-O-W, bow, rainbow. Next is sunflower, right? Sunflower. S-U-N, sun, F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. And last, toothpaste. Tooth and paste. Match it. Tooth, T-O-O-T-H, tooth, P-A-S-T-E, paste. Okay? So children, these 3 questions you solve in a homework. 1, 2 and 3 questions. Okay? And send me your picture. Thank you.